Hello again, this is John Engstrom from TDI. I'm here to talk about the per-console parameterization that is a new feature of Expect-Lite scripting that's going to be available in ConsoleWorks version 4.4, the soon-to-be-released ConsoleWorks 4.4. If you'll remember from our last installment, we created a script to automatically log into this Telnet console, test login. And if I turn down the Expect-Lite script, I can go over there and let's view that. Here is our script that runs. The problem with this is, we are sending a password in clear text here, which is a big security violation. We don't want to do that. And the other problem with this is this script is probably pretty specific to this console. So we're going to use what's known as per-console parameters for our scripts and fix both of those problems. Firstly, let's go and edit this line here. Instead of sending test user, we're going to send a $brace, and then we're going to send USR close brace. That tells ConsoleWorks that the USR is a parameter, and where it will replace that whole $brace USR close brace with the value of the parameter that's going to be associated with the console the script is running on. In this case, it's going to be test console. So we can say OK there, and let's go ahead and edit the password value because that's no good, and say $brace PSSWD. And those parameter names can be anything you want to call them. They are case sensitive, so be sure and use the same upper lower case in your script and in your parameter definition, which I'll get to in a minute. But you're free to name them what you want. If we come to consoles here, we can see it says parameters none on the test console. Let's go ahead and click on our parameters button and give it a couple of parameters. First parameter is going to be USR, because that's the name of the parameter that we're sending for the username. And we want it to be test user. And we want our second parameter to be PSSWD, all lowercase, PSSWD. And we can type in a value here, but once again, this is clear text and it's a password, so we don't want to do that. However, we change our type from text to password, then it will secure the password, and not only is it displaying stars in the UI, but it's encrypting the value before storing it in the ConsoleWorks internal XREF database. So it is a certainly very secure method, and even if someone gains access to that database, they're not going to be able to figure out what that password value is. Let's go ahead and say OK and save it. Now our script is looking a little more generic, and it's also looking a lot more secure. So let's go over to our test console again and disable it and re-enable it to restart it, and connect to our script, or to our console, and verify that indeed the script has run, logged in with test user and the right password. Obviously, once again, the script only runs the one time. If it sees login, it's not going to do anything, unless, of course, our connection is closed and re-established to the console in the case of like an exit. ConsoleWorks loses connection, re-establishes the connection, and then the script runs again once the connection is re-established. Once again, this is John Engstrom with TDI. I hope this has been of help to you. If there is any questions you have, please contact us at support@tditx.com. Thank you and have a good day.